What is good, everyone? I know it's been a while since I last posted on this channel, but recently I went to my local Walmart picking up some new clay bars, and I encountered this product from Mothers. It's their Clay 2.0, which they claim works better than clay bars. And the thing about clay bars that I don't really like, and I'm pretty sure we could all relate to, is that they're only good for a few watches. This thing got my attention because this thing could actually clean 20 vehicles at a time. So I already went ahead and took the liberty pre-washing my vehicle. And now I'm gonna go ahead and test out this product because there's actually a couple wicked tree sap marks on the paint of my car that do not come off. So here, I don't know if this camera could do justice, but where I work at, I always park underneath a tree. And this dang tree always drops tree sap. So you can see like small bumps here and there, like that one. And these bumps are not coming off. This one right here is a fine example. That is tree sap right there on the hood of my car. Now the instructions for this thing is just simple. Hose off your vehicle, remove all the loose dirt, which we already did. Wash the area, clean sponge or mat mitts. I used a clean sponge. Rinse thoroughly with water, already done that. Keep the working section lubricated, dip the speed clay, this thing, into a bucket of wash water and lightly glide it across the surface in a linear overlap motion. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and dump it in a bucket filled with car soap. So real quick, the product looks like this. It's like, has like a sticky matte material here, but it has a really nice grip. So as I was using the Mother's Speed Clay Bar 2.0 to be exact, it was surprisingly working like a normal clay bar normally does. When repeating the surface, you could feel the surface smoothing out, and you could definitely feel the difference with your bare hands. It did an excellent job when it comes to cleaning up the road gunk lines that you'll normally find whenever you drive over newly constructed roads, as you guys may see. But I noticed it was requiring a bit more work than a normal clay bar typically does to clean out and smoothen out the surface. It did everything good, but tougher particles like dried out tree sap wouldn't perform very well. It will smooth it out, but it didn't clear it off the clear coat. As you guys can see, here's two marks right here and there. These marks wouldn't come off with the Mother 2.0 clay bar. So I went ahead and switched to a regular clay bar. And a couple strokes later, it already cleared some of it off. And a few more, it's totally gone. As you guys can see, yeah, I left little dots here, but that's just the water evaporating. But this is totally gone. So my overall conclusion with this product, for normal road debris, like road gunk, this thing will get the job done, but it requires a bit more rubbing to do so. And although the texture is it's like a really nice soft silicone padding that it has underneath, I fear if you have like a really classic car or a lowrider or something along that matter with like a candy smooth paint job, there's a possibility this might cause swirl marks. So for best performance, best results, I would still personally continue using a normal clay bar. But for speed washes, speed cleanups, details, this thing will get the job done. And for $20, it's really reasonably priced. So it's a not bad product, but I'll still personally rather use a clay bar. But there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button as well as subscribe to the channel. Encourage me to put out more content out there for you guys. And feel free to comment down below if there's another product you wish for me to get my hands on. I'm always listening. But as always, hope you guys have a good one. Take care. Bye.